Hi, I'm Dr. Shara and welcome to my office. I wanted to give you guys a sneak peek and show you why you shouldn't be afraid of the first chiropractic adjustment. So come on back and I'm going to take you into my office. So first of all, as you can see, very non-intimidating here. We try and create a very comfortable, relaxing environment. When you come into the office, the first thing I'm going to do with you is I'm going to do an extensive evaluation. So I'm going to ask you a little bit about what's going on with you. I'm going to get a very detailed history, all the way back to your past medical history and what's going on now, what brought you into my office. And then we're going to perform some examinations on you. These examinations will help me get a better idea as to what your diagnosis is. Based upon your diagnosis, we will then talk a little bit about what the chiropractic adjustment is and how I can help you. And then we'll move forward if there's no red flags and start your first adjustment. So what I wanted to show you really quickly was my really cool poster here. So this is your spine, and your spine is connected, all the nerves of your spine come from the brain, go down in a hole in the spine and come out the sides. All of those nerves bring innervation or light up specific areas of your body and also go to specific muscle groups. So when I'm working on your spine and you have pain, let's say in your low back, if I'm working on the low back, that nerve that comes out at that specific joint that may be stuck or not moving right goes into organs. Low back can radiate down the pain, radiate down the leg, just like sciatica, and also gives innervation to muscle groups, such as the low back muscles and the muscles along the side of the leg. So sometimes when you present with pain, it could be coming from the actual bones, it could be coming from the joint, it could also be coming from the muscles. And during the evaluation that we perform, we identify the difference and treat accordingly. So after the evaluation that we perform, we've identified what's going on with you, we perform our first adjustment. So as you can see, the adjustment involves you laying down on a table. There's lots of different kinds of techniques that we can utilize, and some are more aggressive or more forceful than others. This is called the manual adjustment. So what I do is I work on the area of complaint. I apply my hands to that area. We're going to do a quick little thrust into that area. Did that hurt, Andrew?
No.
How'd that feel?
Great.
Awesome. And as you can see, it's a non-painful, non-scary, non-intimidating way to get somebody better relaxation and to remove the discomfort out of their back. All right, I'm gonna have you lie on your side and face me if you can. If a person is suffering from low back pain, we'll typically set them up in this side posture position and come down like that. How'd that feel? Painful?
Nope.
Good, good. All right, go ahead and lie back on your back. Now, I've worked with Andrew before, and I know that he does sometimes get a little nervous about the neck. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab a tool after I do a little bit of a massage to help release all the tension in his neck. And I'm going to grab a tool to adjust his neck because he is nervous, and I don't want to make him even more nervous. So like I said, there's lots of different ways to adjust somebody. Those other ways were manual, and the next way I'm going to use an activator to do so. So I'm going to go ahead and have you sit up for me, Andrew. I'm just going to step here. There we go. So here's an activator. This is a non-invasive tool and a great way to adjust people who are clearly nervous about a specific area. I also use this on infants as well as elderly because I don't want to injure their spines. So what you do is you just take the little click, apply it to an area of complaint, and pull the trigger, and there you go. Great. After we finish all the adjustments, we then move on to some gentle stretching and massage procedures. How you feeling?
Fine.
Good. Is this scary?
Not at all.
Okay, good. The goal is to have Andrew walking out of here feeling like $1,000,000. buddy. There you go.